The workers who face the greatest coronavirus risk, from the Times in plain English: dentists, paramedics, flight attendants, nurses, personal care aides, police, couriers, garbage collectors, maids, janitors, child care workers, cashiers, pilots, lawyers. Coronavirus 1. People with jobs that put them in physical contact with many others are at the greatest risk of becoming sick. Each bubble on the charts represents an occupation. The bigger the bubble, the more people do that job. The charts show jobs in the United States. A. What jobs have the biggest bubbles? 1. Nurses. 2. You choose. 3. You choose. B. What jobs have the smallest bubbles? 1. Police. 2. You choose another one. C. Risk means danger. For example, driving too fast is a risk. What are 2 other things that are a risk? 1. I forgot the 2. Nurses, health aides, paramedics, dentists. Coronavirus 2. Healthcare workers are at the greatest risk. They are near diseases and infections daily. They work near one another and patients. Many are already under quarantine because of exposure to the virus. Personal care aides and home health aides who work with the elderly are also vulnerable. D. Why are healthcare workers at the greatest risk? E. Why are some workers under quarantine? Kindergarten teachers, preschool teachers, elementary school teachers, teacher assistants. School systems are closing. Teachers have more exposure to illnesses and are close to other people. G. Do you know anyone who has ever been under quarantine? What happened? H. Are teachers at risk? Why? Personal care aides, hairdressers, waiters, cashiers, child care workers, retail workers, fast food workers. The risk is not just to those on the front lines. Many people who do service jobs like cashiers and fast food workers face higher risks. Many of these workers in low-paying jobs do not have paid sick leave. Many could still go to work sick to not lose income. This is a hard time for people all over the world. No one knows the cost of the coronavirus to workers. A worldwide downturn in the economy is ahead. Workers in the jobs shown above face the loss of income. The job you have may make it worse for you. The chance you will get the coronavirus is greater than for others. Do the best you can to follow the guidelines given by people and places you trust. Source: The New York Times, March 15, 2020. I. Look at the diagram above. What are 2 other occupations that face a higher risk from the coronavirus? 1, 2.